Upon the stony, lonely cell, in anguish deep I lay. My troubled soul no rest could find, my night outstretched to day. The Lord did thunder in my ear, His judgment stark and gray. What hope hast thou, O sinful man? What power thy soul to save? With fasting sore and vigils long, I strove to cleanse my stain. Yet more I toiled beneath the yoke, the heavier grew the chain. God's righteousness I feared as fire, that none could satisfy. A holy wrath before my eyes, and I but fit to die. Art thou the sacred word I read, by gentle counsel led? The page with living splendor shone, and thus the Scripture said, the just shall live by faith alone, a gift of grace bestowed, not earned by works nor purchased tears, but flowing from our God. Then righteousness appeared anew, not terror from above, but Christ Himself my covering sure, the pledge of steadfast love. His merit mine, His cross my plea, His blood my spotless dress. The sinner clothed in His pure grace finds peace and righteousness. No more I trust in